Okay, so what we want to do today is talk about fingerprints. So yesterday you would have watched the video to see all the different types of fingerprints there are and how we classify them and what makes them interesting and unique and things like that. So this paper here is one you can download and print off of the assignment. And what it does is it asks you to take a print of each of your fingers. And really the best way to do this is if you're able, okay? Obviously, I don't expect you to go out and buy anything to do this. If you have access to any kind of ink pad that you would use for anything, okay? You're going to take your finger and you're going to just roll it on the ink pad, and then you're just going to press it down once and pull it up. Don't move it around or squish it or anything like that, because it will ruin the details in your print and you won't get a good one. Okay? So if you can, do your right hand, do your left hand, make a print for each one, and then going through and using the handout from yesterday, classify the types of fingerprints on each one. So arches, whorls, be as specific as you can, as detailed as you can, with what you have, with access to what you have, right? That's the best we can do. If you have no access to anything to make a fingerprint with, you can use mine. So the second page there is going to be my set of fingerprints that I made here. You can go through and you can classify mine according to what you think that they are. All right. So once you classify either yours or mine, go ahead and resubmit that assignment to be graded there. Okay. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is the other document attached to this assignment is, remember I told you in the Zoom last week about that microscope lens? It looks like this, actually. And what I do is attach that directly to my phone, and what it does is zoom anything that it touches up close to. I'm going to try to attach it right now while I'm making this video. We'll see if that works. So there might be a little pause in the action of the video here. But I also am going to attach the pictures I took. Those are the pictures of my left hand, and they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 being my thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5 being my pinky. Okay, and it just gives you a really cool zoom, and it allows you to see the type of fingerprint so much better. All right, so I'm going to try it. All right, so you have to get it in exactly the right spot over your camera. You take the zoom. Now, obviously, you can't see anything here. When you hold it up close to something, like here, you can see the ink from my fingerprints there. All right, you can see the tone of the paper. But let me just hold it. So this is my pointer finger, right? So notice how you can see those little dots in there. You can see the different ridge marks going around. You can see the little lines that I might have. You can even see like a little piece of lint that I might have on my fingertip. Which can be a little bit creepy, right? All right, so next one. This is finger number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And then my thumb, which I'll call finger number 1. That one's the hardest to do. I don't know why I can't get the right angle. Okay. All right, so you kind of get the idea there of what that looks like when you're able to zoom in on everything that you're doing. All right. So, yeah, go ahead and try and either make your own fingerprints or analyze my fingerprints if you can't make your own. And cool, have fun.